So you saw it fly yesterday, and I'm going to have another go today. It's just as windy and just as cold. Right, I'm going to do some aerobatics here, Adam. Loop into a roll, inverted. Oh, that was full down elevator. It wouldn't stay. Oh, oh. It's like flying a simulator, this model, because you can crash and nothing happens. If I turn this way, you can hear me talking. I've got to say, this is a crazily fun model. Let's try a circle. See how tight I can get in. It's very difficult in this wind to fly a circle. Let's try this way round. Let's try inverted again. It will fly inverted, look. Oh! It's just that twitchy aileron. I could try a low inverted pass if I set it up into wind. Right, I'll try and get up a bit of height, like that. Oh, that was full down, it wouldn't pull out. Oh, it's rock steady into wind. Oh, ain't the batteries going? I'll land. I had a distinct reduction in RPM there, so wonder if I can try downwind inverted pass. Are you crazy, Cliff? Oh, oh, oh! It's all fall down. Oh no, I think I busted a wing. Easy repair, but I said they didn't break, but obviously there's a limit. Yeah, easy repair. It's good to practice your aerobatics though, isn't it? Oh yeah. That was fun. Easy repair, and well, practice your aerobatics. Adam, if you're watching this, I'm convinced you're going to be impressed with that little display.